Jefferson County Court at law number 2 is now in session. The court is in session and calls number M330208. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Demetrius Gerald Wheeler. Let the record reflect that the attorneys for the state, Mr. Hoffbauer, Kobe Hoffbauer, and the attorney for the defense, the defendant, Mr. John West is present, as well as the defendant, Mr. Demetrius Gerald Wheeler. I have received a message from the jury that it has reached a verdict. Will the bailiff please bring the jury into the courtroom? Everyone, please stand. Everyone may be seated. Let the record reflect that the attorney for the state, attorney Kobe Hoffbauer, attorney for the defendant, Attorney John West, and the defendant, Mr. Demetrius Gerald Wheeler, all the members of the jury are present and seated in the courtroom. Four-person, okay. Have you reached a verdict in this case?
Yes, sir.
Now, is that verdict one that is agreed upon by all the jurors?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Would you please hand that verdict to the bailiff, Mr. Bailiff? Now, is this verdict one that is unanimous by all the members of the jury?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Demetrius Gerald Wheeler, would you please stand? We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty of assault. Okay. Mr. Hoffbauer, would you like to have the jury poll?
No, Your
Mr. West? Okay. Here you go. You get that. Okay. You may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, on behalf of the citizens of Jefferson County and the staff here in County Court number 2, we'd like to thank you for your time and attention. We also would like to thank our alternate who has participated in this trial up to the point of the deliberation. Now, your services at this time is complete. Our district clerk's office is closed. It closed at 5 p.m. So if you need any excuses, now will we be able to give any? Well, okay, you would have to get that from the district clerk's office. Now, I'd like to thank you for your time and attention. I know this trial took about 3 days. We've been here, I think, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today is Thursday. And so thank you for serving the citizens here in Jefferson County. Thank you for your undivided attention and your participation. Now, if you would like to talk to any of the lawyers may be around to maybe ask you some questions. You can talk to them if you want to. You do not have to talk to them if you do not want to. So our court bailiff have some letters for each one of you. And also make sure that you turn in your tags. The bailiff will receive the tags from you. And normally I usually give handshakes, but under our circumstances, I give everyone an air handshake. All right. Now, anytime you're in the area, anytime you're in this area, County Court law number 2, feel free to come inside the courtroom. As I told the other jurors on the panel, that I know when you came here on Tuesday, you looked over the top of the door and you saw Judge Terrence Holmes, County Court at Law number 2. You probably said to yourself, oh, this is Judge Holmes' court. No, this is not my court. This is your court, because you are the citizens of Jefferson County. I'm only a public servant serving the citizens of Jefferson County. And I'd like to thank you for the privilege to serve you here. And also I'd like to thank you for serving here. Now, anytime you're in the area, please free to have a seat in that area back there we call a gallery. We call it the peanut gallery, but it doesn't mean you can bring peanuts up here and eat. But you can come in here and see what goes on in your courthouse in Jefferson County, Texas. So again, on behalf of the citizens of Jefferson County, behalf of staff here in County Court at Law number 2, thank you for your time and your attention. You're excused, and you have a blessed day. Court will be in recess.